Technology. Si Robin nung nasa bilibid nakapagpasa na ng batas. So, even being a senator, sa tingin niyo ba ang Philippine Army, bibigyan siya ng ganun kalaking role, ganun kalaking responsibility sa Philippine Army, na siya ang in charge sa communications at strategic planning? Kung sa tingin niyo hindi siya qualified. I know for a fact, si Robin hindi nagpunta sa Senado para magpayaman. Hindi. He is not greedy. He is not hungry for power. Si Robin nandito to serve. Yun ang sigurado ako, 100% for the country. He supported the Bangsamoro Organic Law. He served as the face of modernization of agriculture in the Philippines. He built therapeutic centers against drugs sa National Bilibid Prison and awarded by the National Drugs Board. He organized peace talks since he has been organizing since 2013, especially